Welcome to Chesapeake Thrives. I'm Mary Riley, and today I'm here with Phyllis Abergotti and Lamar Johnson to talk about Foster Care Month. So when is Foster Care Month?
Well, Foster Care Month is the month of May.
And why is that so important?
Foster Care Month is an opportunity to celebrate our foster parents, support workers who work with the families, and other mental health professionals who support our foster parents. And it's also a month that we recruit foster parents. We kind of ramp up our recruitment efforts.
So if you are recruiting, there must be a need then.
Yes, there's a need for foster parents from birth to 17 years old.
What do you see as the biggest need?
We have a need for sibling groups, parents that are willing to work with kids who have some mental health issues, some trauma issues from their past.
And are you seeing all of those issues in all age groups, or is there a particular age group that's harder than others?
Often kids do come into foster care, they have some form of trauma. So our needs are for supportive parents and families that can give these kids a loving home, a nurturing home.
Yes, that is so important to help them overcome that trauma and be that support system for them. So what are the requirements for being a foster parent?
We are looking for 21 and over. We are looking for those parents who have a loving, supportive, strong home. We are looking for parents who are medically and mentally and physically able to care for children. We want parents who are going to be able to get our kids to IEP appointments and doctor's appointments. We want parents who are going to be able to understand the trauma that our kids have gone through and help those kids with that trauma.
So if I want to be a foster parent, can I just walk in and say, sign me up?
Well, we have to train you first. We train through Pride. Our trainings are every quarter. We just started a training platform last week. We want to make sure that you are understanding the trauma that children go through. We want you to understand what your role is as a foster parent. We want to make sure that you are ready, willing, and able. We want to look at your finances to make sure you're financially stable, your house is financially stable. We want to make sure that you are ready and willing to work with birth families. A lot of our kids the plan is for our kids to go back to families of origin. We want to make sure you're ready to work with birth families. So that's just a few of the criteria we look for our when we're recruiting foster parents.
So can you talk a little bit about the trauma that the children are experiencing? What is it that, or what is it that is creating such a need for foster parents?
Well, we have calls coming in for children needing homes. So across the state of Virginia, across the state of Chesapeake, there is a need for foster parents, primarily for teens and sibling groups. The traumas are coming from children being abused, being neglected. When children are homeless, they're hungry. Those are where the traumas are coming from. And we're also seeing at this point in our program, children who have multi-generations of trauma. So the traumas are from generations back. And we want to make sure that our foster parents understand those traumas and are ready to help our children.
And I know one of the important things about foster parents or your foster care program is reuniting the children with their birth parents. So what kind of support systems are there for birth parents?
The birth parents have a lot of support. They get support from the foster families. They get support from the agency. They get support from outside agencies that are willing to help with those reunifications. We are always ready to answer questions. We're always ready to make sure the families understand how the process works. So there's a lot of support out there for those families.
And who do I contact if I want to be a foster parent?
If you could contact our office assistant, her name is Danielle Jones. Her phone number is 757-382-2306.
Well, thank you so much for being with me today. It's been an enlightening to talk about your need for foster parents. I'm hoping that more families will engage with you and become foster parents. So thank you.
Thank you, Mary.
And we'll look forward to Foster Care Month.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
We appreciate you.